In order to obtain the correct finish, all manhole or access covers within the floor area must be designed with clamping or weldable edges. This weldable access cover is rebated to the thickness of the flooring. The material is fitted tightly to the edges, then grooved and hot welded to the PVC insert, both inside and outside of the cover, providing a neat and effective watertight seal between the floor and the access cover. Groove the joints with a grooving tool. For ease, use the Altro coving speed nozzle, which is specially designed to weld miters. Repeat this process with the internal corner. Leave the rod to cool down before cutting and trimming it.